Hey guys, now it's time to start a discussion about method overloading. So what is method overloading? Method overloading in Java is a feature that allows a class to have multiple methods with the same name but different parameter list within the same class. The methods must have a different number of type of parameters or both. In other words, method overloading enables you to define multiple methods with the same name in a class, but each method has a different signature. The signature of a method includes its name along with the number and type of its parameters. So let's open IntelliJ IDE, and let's say that I want to compare two doubles. Let's say that I want to compare 1.5 and 1.6. Now I can't, because the types defined for this method are integers, so we can't pass here a double, but I can overload this method. So I can go at the end here and I'll type public, but within the class I'll type public static double, because it's gonna return a double. I'll overload the method, so I'll type max get is gonna be called also get max, but it will have double num1 and double num2. I will put curly braces to create the code block. Now I'll type here if num1, the same logic, greater than num2, return num1, else return num2, semicolon. Now if I go up here, we still have a problem, because now we are returning not an integer but a double. So let's change this from int to double. So I'm gonna type double, sorry, should be double, not do. So double max. And now if I run this, as you can see, this is gray out, so it's not use this method. And now it's gonna use this method get max, and you get 1.6, which is correct. This is the bigger number. Another way to overload the method is to provide a different number of parameters. So I'm gonna type here public static, let's say int get max, and I'll define here num1, or let's define a, int b, and int c. And now we're gonna return which is the bigger number from all of those numbers. So I'm gonna type here if a is greater or equal than b, and a is greater than or equal than c, then I'm gonna return a, semicolon. Else if, so I'm gonna use the else if now, parenthesis, if b is greater than equal to a and b is greater than equal to c, gonna return b. Else gonna return c, because that is the bigger number, c, semicolon. Now if I go up here and if I pass here, let's say 100, 10 and 1000. Now if I run this, as you can see, now we are using the third method with 3 parameters, and we get 1000. So this is now the, let's change this to an int, because int, let's run it again. So now we get 1000. So this is the bigger number. So now it's using this method that is overloaded here. So this is how you can use overloaded methods in Java. I'll end this video here and see you in the next video.